Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update for you from NTPC. Yes, let's check it out to the official website of NTPC. Here we can see in the career section notice board they mention application portal for the post of EET, okay, Executive Engineer Trainee 2024 through GET 2024 will open from 30th January. Please keep all the documents as will be mentioned in the advertisement ready for the upload at the time of the application submission. When you will click here, this posted today only, yesterday only, 28th. Okay, when you will click here on the detailed advertisement, you can see this detailed advertisement. So let's check it out what they are talking about. Recruitment of the engineering executive trainees 2024 through GATE 2024. Okay, then here you can see engineering executive trainees in which discipline: electrical 135, civil mechanical 180, civil 50, electronics and instrumentation 85, and mining 25 vacancies are there. Okay, I'm sure you guys can see this one. And I'm talking about qualification. What is the qualification? Full time bachelor's degree in engineering of technology with not less than 65% marks. So minimum 65% marks required in these BE Tech. Okay, 55% for the SC/ST PWBD candidate. And candidate must have appeared for the graduate aptitude test in engineering 2024. So this recruitment is based on the GATE 2024. Candidate with a prescribed degree identified for the discipline as the given below can only apply for the post of EET, Executive Engineer Trainee. So electrical engineering, what is the requirement? Electrical and electronics, electrical instrumentation, okay, electrical instrumentation, control, power system, all these students are eligible. For mechanical engineering, mechanical production, industrial engineering production, mechanical automation, power engineering. For electronics engineering, they mention here these are the full-time degree branches. So electronics and telecommunication, electronics and power electronics, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics. Instrumentation engineering is also there, civil is also there, or mining is also there. Okay. For general category, minimum 65% marks is required. Age limit, upper age limit is 27 years as on the last date of online application. Okay, some age relaxation is there according to the rule of Government of India. Selection procedure: eligible candidate must have appeared for the GATE exam 24 and must have qualified in the exam. Candidate shall be shortlisted for the document verification. Direct document verification will be there on the basis of GATE 2024 scorecard. They will shortlist you and then they will call you for the document verification. Who apply against this advertisement in NTPC. Further, the candidates will be extended offer of appointment subject to meeting the advertisement. Okay, that is the secondary thing. Then what is the next? Get 24 paper as detailed below. What is this? They mention here the paper code also, as well as for the electrical engineering paper code should be EE, mechanical ME, electronics EC, instrumentation IE, civil CE, and mining MN should be there. Okay. And projected vacancies, they mention here the number of vacancies also category wise. So electrical 135 are there. Yes, category wise classification is mentioned here. Mechanical 180, electronics 85, instrumentation is also there 85 in that one, and mining and civil 50 and 25. Okay. So yes, pay scale. So pay scale will be of selected candidate will be placed in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 at the basic pay, bacho. Okay, of rupees 40,000 E1 grade. The other benefits such as their dearance allowances, all the allowances you will get here. Placement: the selected candidate shall undergo 1 year training period at the various places. The final pace of posting will be decided after completion of training only. Okay. Reservation and relaxations are there. Yes, so you can check it out this detail as well. And I'm talking about more here. So we can see few more general instructions mentioned. We can see this as well. Okay. So what is this? Service bond is there. Okay. Health, they mentioned here some medical norms will be also there. How to apply? You need to go, candidate need to apply online for NTPC EET 2024 on this website www.ntpc.co.in. Here, this is the website. Okay. All right. And this one, candidate will be required to upload all the required documents. Okay. Please ensure. Okay. Now here application fees they mention Candidates belonging to general EWS OBC category are required to pay a non-refundable fees of rupees 300. ठीक है. The SC ST PWBD ex serviceman category are and female candidates need not to pay the application fees, are exempted from this one. Payment can be made either in online or offline mode. So they mention here for the offline mode also, and they mention details for the online mode as well. Okay, and these things you need to show here, and general informations and instructions are there. Please read it. Now important thing, again I'm talking about the dates. So commencement of online application will start from the tomorrow 30th January, and the last date for online application will be 13th February 2025. In this window you can fill the form, you need to submit your fees also. So please read out this detailed advertisement here only, okay, to the official website. This is the official website, and then okay, from the 30th it will show you the option for apply online as well. All right guys, for more details you can check it out, this official website. Stay connected to I Must GATE Academy YouTube channel for more such type of videos. Thank you.